Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So today we are going to learn how to pronounce Arabic alphabets, Arabic letters. As you know, languages have their own alphabets. So basically, Arabic language has 28 letters, and each letter has different way of pronunciation. There are two things that we have to learn before the recitation of Quran. So in foundation, we try to learn how to pronounce letter and how to identify letters. So as I told you, there are 28 letters, and every letter has its own pronunciation. So in this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce it. So this is our Qaida, our foundation, and these are 28 letters. Today we are going to learn the first line, the very first line. So in this line, the first letter we have is Alif. Alif is the easiest letter in Arabic to pronounce. Alif pronunciation process is very simple. You have to say Alif, and the sound of Alif comes from the empty space of your mouth. Alif, Alif, Alif. Repeat after me. Alif. And the next letter is Ba. Ba. The sound of ba is so simple too, easy peasy, like when you join the both lips, the wet part of your both lips. So at that time, ba is pronounced. So the ba pronunciation comes from the wet part of your both lips. Ba, ba, ba. Repeat after me. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, so next is ta. So ta pronounced from the tip of the tongue and the roots of upper front teeth. Ta, ta, ta. And the next letter gonna be tha. Sa has three dots, and the pronunciation of sa is tha, tha. Don't make whistle sound. Tha, 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 and the sa pronounced from the top of the tongue and the inner edge of your upper teeth. Tha, tha, tha. And the next letter is Jim. Jim. The sound of Jim comes from the middle of the tongue and middle of the palate. Jim. 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 The last letter is Ha, and it is our last letter of today's session. And Ha sound comes from the middle of our throat. Ha, 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 ha. Okay, now repeat after me all of them. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha. Okay. Here, ba, ta, and tha. These three letters have same shape. So we have to identify them. And the one thing that can make difference between them is dots. So ba has one dot in bottom. Ta has two dots at the top. And similarly, tha has three dots at the top. So these are three letters in the same shape, and we have to identify them with the dots. This is how you can pronounce these alphabets. So we have learned the first line, the very first line of our Quran Foundation course, and I hope you people got this. And if you have any question, you can ask me in comment section below. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullah khair. Thank you so much.